guys, it's me, Carrie, with Fullerton Professional Organizing right here in Texas, and we're talking about 30 ways to turn your passion for organizing into a six-figure business. Have you ever dreamed of turning your love for organizing into a profitable career? The truth is, with the right mindset, strategy, and action steps, it is entirely possible to build a professional organizing business. Here's how you can take your passion to the next level, and we're going to give you 30 ways. Okay? The first one is to identify your niche. Now, sometimes this isn't going to be possible. You may be able to pinpoint your niche right away, but some of you may not be able to until you get started and realize what you hate and what you love about organizing, because you don't have to do all of it just because it's all out there to do. You can find something that you love. Some specialize just in garages, some specialize just in closets and wardrobes, some finances, some business. There's many different ways that you can go about becoming an organizer. But number one is finding and identifying your niche. Specialize in a specific type of organizing. It can be home offices, closets, digital spaces, and become an expert in that area. One of my expertise is ADHD and decluttering. Okay, now number two, create a personal brand. Develop a consistent and professional brand, including a logo, website, and social media presence that aligns with your vision. Now, for social media, you can keep it simple. Something simple that you post every day. All right, number three, offer virtual services. Expand your reach by offering virtual organizing sessions to clients anywhere in the world. Number four, build an engaging website. Your website is your digital storefront. Make it professional, easy to navigate, and include clear calls to action, like book now or schedule a consult. 5, leverage social media. Social media is your long game. That's where people are going to know you, love you, trust you. Use those platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to share organizing tips, before and after photos, and engage with your target audience. Number 6, start a YouTube channel. Again, you've seen some of mine. Keep it simple. Create how-to videos and tutorials to establish your expertise and reach a wider audience. 7, develop signature packages. Offer tiered packages for different types of clients, from one-time decluttering sessions to monthly maintenance packages. 8, and before we go on to number 8, number 7, I have dialed in. So if you are looking to start your organizing journey, your business, I'm the person that can teach you how to hone in those packages and those maintenance packages, and to really keep your business going year-round. I've done it. Now, let's go back to 8. Network with realtors and interior designers. Yes. Don't sell. Just develop relationships, friendships. Just be genuine and authentic with the people in your community. These professionals often need organizers for staging and moving clients, build relationships and referrals with them. My very first job was recommended to me by a realtor that I have known for a very, very, very long time. I have had interior decorators and other realtors recommend me as well. So, number 9, offer workshops or classes. Now, those are things that I have done just here and there, but host local or online workshops on organizing to showcase your skills and bring in new clients. Now, another thing you can do is offer those free at the library. I did that with my tea party business. I offered free tea parties at the library, and that really worked to get my name out there and to get. All right. Now, sorry, I got interrupted. I heard a lot of noise in the background, so I paused it. So I'm going to start with number 9 again. Number 9 is offer workshops or classes, host local or online workshops on organizing to showcase your skills and bring in new clients. Number 10, write an ebook. Share your organizing expertise in an ebook and sell it on your website or on Amazon. I've seen a few organizers do that. I have not yet done that. Haven't had the need to do that just yet, but I may do that later on. Maybe it'll be my 5-year goal. Now, number 11, invest in certifications. Now, I have not needed a lot of certifications. I did get certified as an expert, but you can do that because you will be a forever learner. While not required, being a certified professional organizer adds credibility and can attract higher paying clients, especially in your bigger cities. Okay. Now, number 12, build a referral program. Encourage happy clients to refer others by offering discounts or free services as incentives. Now, I have not had to do that. I have offered referral programs, don't get me wrong, and I have given $25 gift cards. I've offered $25 gift cards to those that refer me, but I haven't had to offer any free services for that. Now, discounts for referrals to your clients that you've already worked for, yes, that you can do. It's a great way to get your foot in the door and get connected. 13, join local networking groups. Now, I have joined many networking groups. I joined one for 5 years, developed some really, 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 really good relationships in that networking group. Then that group moved on. I started my own and joined the Chamber of Commerce. Then I have joined other organizations just recently, because you are going to join different organizations at different times in your business to meet new people and connect with new people that can refer you. So it's always great to join other networks. But of course, just starting out, you're not going to be able to join all of them because most of them charge a fee. But I also have created my own network because I also wanted one to represent my values as a Christian professional organizing and a Christian business. So I have started my own Christian women's business networking. So you can, if you can't find a group online or on Facebook or in your local community, you can also be the person to start it, because you have got to get your name out there and get started. Now, 14, partner with local stores or businesses. Team up with storage solution or home goods stores to offer joint promotions or workshops. 15, get testimonials. Ask satisfied clients to write testimonials for your website and social media, adding credibility to your business. Now, of course, they're going to be confidential. You can just use their initials and what town they are in, or what area they are in. But you do have to ask for those. I ask for them. I have a form. I give them. Raise your rates as your demand grows. You are going to, hold on here, let me find my notes again here. As your demand grows, don't be afraid to raise your rates to reflect your experience and expertise. Now, that may not be the first year or the second year or the third year, but when you get to where your schedule is so busy that you feel like you can't breathe, that means it's time to raise your rates. It'll just slow you down just a little bit, but I have found by having a business for 21 years, raising your rates does not cause you to lose business. It does not. You will always find business if you're good at what you do. Okay? So, create reoccurring revenue is number 17. Offer maintenance packages where clients pay a monthly fee for ongoing organizing support. Now, I do mine a little different. They are not maintenance packages. You can do maintenance packages, but I do something a little bit different, and it gives me ongoing organizing support. If you would like to join me in this journey, I can teach you all of this. But now, 18, use email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters and organizing tips, special offers, and success stories. Okay, now number 19 is focus on your customer service. Delight your clients with exceptional service so that they rave about you to others. Master time management. That's number 20. Streamline your processes and manage your time effectively to handle more clients. 21, scale with a team. Once you've established your business, hire assistants or other organizers to expand your capacity. Number 22, organize for businesses. There are businesses out there that need help and just don't have the time to put into their organizing their systems and their workflows. So expand your services to offices and companies that need organization in their workspace. 23, blog regularly. Now, when we say regularly, it doesn't have to be every week. It can be once a month. Write blog posts on organizing tips and tricks to attract organic traffic to your website. And you never know, people might locally, a news program or a magazine may see your blog and offer you a spot in their news program or their blog. I have been on the news. I have a regular blog that comes out in a women's magazine here locally, Inspire Magazine. Number 24, Offer decluttering challenges. Host 30-day decluttering challenges on social media to engage your audience and encourage participation. 25. Host Instagram or Facebook lives. Engage with your audience in real time by answering their questions and sharing quick tips. 26. Use Google Ads. Invest in targeted Google Ads to reach people searching for organizing services in your area. Now, I have not done paid ads on Google, and I do have clients. So you may want to do that just at the beginning of your business if you have the budget to get you started. But if you want to start out super slow, you may, try to do it with all free advertising. But Google Ads do work. I just have not had to do that as of yet. But it is an option out there. And let me say, I'm giving you 30 ways, but you don't have to do all 30. You can start with the easy and work your way up to the hardest. When I say 30 ways, that doesn't mean you have to do all 30 ways at once. These are just 30 ways and 30 ideas to get you started, okay? Collaborate with influencers. Again, you're not going to be able to do that until you establish yourself. Partner with social media influencers who can help promote your services to their followers. 28. Attend industry events. Go to trade shows, conferences, workshops in the organizing industry to network and learn new strategies. 29. Monetize your expertise. Offer consulting services to aspiring organizers or create an online course teaching others how to organize. And now for number 30. Always continue learning. Stay up to date on the latest organizing trends, strategies, and tools by investing in ongoing education. And that's another way you can interact with me. I have been doing this for a few years now. I had a business before this one, and I've studied this for 30-something years. So if you need a mentor, go ahead and reach out to me. If you're ready to take your passion for organizing to the next level, schedule a free consultation with me today, and let's create a personalized strategy to turn your organizing dream into a thriving business. Now, you can reach out to me through email. It is Carrie.Fullerton, and then Carrie is spelled Carrie .Fullerton, Fullerton @gmail.com, and you can reach out to me through email, and I will email you back, and then we can talk about phone numbers and times to talk. But here's something I want to ask for you to write down in the comments. What's the one thing holding you back from turning your organizing skills into a profitable business? Let me know that in the comments. All right, guys, that is it for my podcast and YouTube channel today, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching and listening.